The Apples of Idun.
Chapter 1. The Eagle. Long ago, the gods liked to walk on earth. Loki and Odin had been hiking for many days. The two gods were very hungry. Odin killed an ox, and Loki made a fire, but the pieces of meat would not cook. Was this someone's trick? Loki, who had played plenty of tricks himself, looked around. No one appeared. Then a voice spoke from above. "I will make the meat cook if you will share it." Loki and Odin looked up. A huge eagle sat on a high tree branch and rustled its wings. "Yes, you may have some meat," Odin said. So the meat cooked, and the eagle swooped down. He grabbed many large pieces of meat. Loki, who was very hungry, jumped up. He was angry. He grabbed a big piece of wood and hit the eagle. Poor Loki! The wood stuck to the eagle's claws. The other end stuck to Loki's hands. This was not a real eagle. It was a storm giant in the form of an eagle.